Hello, my name is Harry. I'm 8 years old and I'm from class BB2. Today I want to talk about the Moon Festival Party. The picture is about Moon Festival Party. I see a family gathered around the table with fruit. I see a lot of fruit like pomelo, bananas, and pineapple. Next to the fruit, I see 3 mooncakes and a candle. I see children are playing Star Lantern and Lionhead with their parents. Outside the window, I see the moon is shining like it is joining the party. I really like the picture because it made me feel that the Moon Festival is coming soon. Happy Moon Festival! Goodbye!